Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to use the PDF Printover after setting it up. After the PDF Printover setup is finalized, the form seamlessly autofills patient information upon loading into their clinical case, offering a time-saving and streamlined approach to document completion. Utilizing PDF Printover for form submissions enhances efficiency and expedites the documentation process for patients. For more information on how to set up the PDF Printover first, please refer to the PDF Printover Setup user manual linked in this video's description. In this video, we will start on a diary screen. Click on a desired booking of the patient. The diary sidebar will open. Click on a clinical button. The clinical case screen will open. From here, click on a Forms Library drop-down menu and select the PDF Printover option. The PDF Printover screen will open. To access the appropriate PDF Printover form, simply click on a PDF Printover drop-down menu and choose the correct PDF form. The chosen form will open with predefined fields already populated containing all essential patient information if placeholders were utilized. You will observe that the patient details as well as the signature have already been pre-filled, saving you time. As soon as you're satisfied completing the form, you are able to either email, print, or download the form. For more information regarding sending emails, please refer to the Workflow Event Template Send Email user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a Complete button to wrap up the form. Click on a Save and Close button to save the changes made and return to the diary screen.